iCloud, Apple's cloud storage, offers automatic daily backups, keeping your data safe and accessible across devices when plugged in, locked, and on Wi-Fi. But how often does iCloud back up? Does iPhone back up automatically? Let's explore iCloud backup details. Part 1. How often does iCloud back up your iPhone? Nightly backups. iCloud backs up your iPhone nightly when it's on Wi-Fi, locked, and charging, keeping data safe as you sleep. Instant backups. Actions like adding a device, App Store purchases, or iOS updates trigger instant backups. Part 2. How to change iCloud backup frequency in iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name at the top and select iCloud. Under iCloud Backup, toggle the switch to turn it on if it's not already enabled. Part 3. How to manually trigger an iCloud backup. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud Backup. Tap Backup Now to start a manual backup. Part 5. Best alternative of iCloud Backup Assistant for iOS. Now that you know iCloud backup options, On-Site or Mobikin Assistant for iOS when Mac. For a more effective solution, this tool offers easy backup, restore, and file management, making it a versatile choice for iOS device management. Now, let's look at the steps to back up iOS device using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run Assistant for iOS and choose the Super Toolkit section in the top menu. Connect your device to this computer to access the interface shown below. Step 2. Choose iTunes Backup and Restore, and a pop-up window will display all connected iOS devices available for backup. Step 3. Click on the Backup button and choose the device you wish to back up. Select a destination to store the backup files and initiate the backup process by clicking Backup. Remember to keep your iPhone, iPad, or iPod connected during the whole backup process. Step 4. You need to restore backup to your device. You can click the Restore button and select the desired backup file to restore. To back up specific iPhone data, first select the desired file category from the left sidebar. Then, preview and select what you want to back up from the right window. Finally, click Export to transfer the selected files to your computer.